Here's how easy it is to see what someone likes on Instagram in 2021. Start by going to snoopreport.com. It's the original Instagram activity tracker that lets you watch and track anyone's activity, including what they like and who they follow. It's super easy. To register, simply hit Get Started and fill in some basic details. Now, before you start snooping on accounts, you'll need to subscribe to a plan. Head to Plans and choose the one that's right for you depending on how many accounts you want to track. Now, let's go to Add Account and search for the user we want to track. Here we go. Back in your dashboard, you'll now see the user account. To access all their juicy Instagram activity, go to See Reports. The first area of the report reveals important details about the user from the last week. Like how active they were, what users they liked, and what content they were the most active on. Amazing, right? Let's dig deeper into this by scrolling down to see more detail. Every time the user likes something, it'll show up here. It shows the actual content and actual user. Click them and it'll take you directly to that activity on Instagram. Scroll down. The same goes for new follows. You can check everyone the user has followed this week and go straight to their Instagram page. Another important bit is the hashtags. These liked media clouds show all the hashtags the user has liked, which reveals their interest too. All these hashtags are clickable and opens the Instagram pages. Same goes for the user interests cloud as well, except these are not clickable, but it does show what the user cared the most about this week. You'll also see at the very top that all data is archived, so you can go back and snoop past activity as well. That's the down and dirty on how to easily track someone on Instagram in 2021. It's powerful for both business and personal use. Head over to snoopreport.com and get started today. You won't regret it.